company's main products include the following categories. Speaker parts, which include speaker frames, back plates, top plates, pole plates, back cans, speaker cabinet corners, and speaker ceiling cabinets. Automotive parts, which include spring hangers, piston housing, oil housing, bracket supports, clevis parts, engine component shafts, oil filter housing, and alternator and transmission parts. Computer-related products include computer case housing, surge protector accessories, power supply housings, and related products. Telecommunication parts include pay telephone cabinets and telephone housings. Motor housing parts include washing machine motor housing, computer system housing, power window housing, and antenna motor housing. And various stampings, forgings, and metal assembly parts such as casters, hand puller buckles, grills and screens, bonding washers, vibration damping components, and other industrial use parts.